Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is me Shati. Today I'm in a mood to play with some colors. So I'm gonna show you how I created this rainbow cut-crease eye look. I have already completed my primer, foundation and concealer off camera, so can focus straight on my eyes. Using Makeup Studio Vitamin E Anti-Aging Action Eye Primer and blending it with Real Technique Beauty Blender. Morphe 35B is the exact eyeshadow palette for this look. Using Morphe brush and taking yellow color from the palette and applying it on my inner corner. Now applying orange color with the same brush. Picked some pink color on BH Cosmetic brush and applying on my outer third portion. Taking dark purple color on a small blending brush by BH Cosmetics and applying it on the outer corner. Again using the pink color to diffuse the edges. To cut the crease, I'm using Kryolan FS45. Just applied on my lid and I looked up to get the proper cut crease line. I find this technique is really easy for me to do the exact cut crease. Now I'm taking white color on this Morphe flat brush and pressing it all over on my eyelid. Using dark purple color to blend the outer corner. Now adding some pink. Pressing the orange color just before the pink. Again with the same stamping motion, adding some yellow. On my lower lash line using dark purple, pink, orange and yellow. For liner, I'm gonna use Maybelline Gel Liner. Blending the end part of the liner with the dark purple shade. Now I'm highlighting my inner corner. Applying kajal on my lower lash line, and this kajal is by Lakme Iconic. It's time for falsies. Warming up my face with Sivanna Colors Bronze Palette. For blush, I'm using Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. Again from the same bronzer palette, I'm highlighting my face. For lip, I'm using Sugar Liquid lipstick and the shade is Wine and Shine. Want to create some ombre style lipstick? In middle, I'm gonna use Maybelline lipstick and the shade is Daring Nude. We'll be adding some gloss on top of it just to get the glowy ombre style lips. Setting my whole makeup with M.A.C Fixer. And here is my rainbow cut crease eye with glossy ombre lips completed. If you are here with me, thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know by commenting below. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification every time I upload. Thank you.